Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ARCO fuel and charging account for EV charging, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize your ARCO fuel and charging account for EV charging, start by opening the ARCO app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your ARCO account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. After logging in, navigate to the account or settings section of the app. Look for the EV charging option in the menu. Select Authorize Charging to begin the process. You may be prompted to enter vehicle details, including the make and model of your electric vehicle. Provide the required information accurately to ensure seamless charging. Next, link your payment method if it's not already connected to your ARCO account. Choose between saving your payment info or entering it each time you charge. Once your payment method is confirmed, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions regarding EV charging. Read through the terms thoroughly to understand your responsibilities and rights. After agreeing, select Authorize Account to officially link your EV to your ARCO charging account. Wait for the confirmation message, which indicates that your account is now authorized for EV charging. You can now access EV charging stations directly through the app. Locate nearby ARCO charging stations using the App's Map feature. When you arrive at a charging station, open the app to check for specific instructions. Follow the prompts on the screen to start charging your vehicle. Keep an eye on the charging progress via the app for updates. Once your vehicle is fully charged, return to the app to stop charging. After charging, remember to disconnect your vehicle and secure the charging port. Your ARCO account should now be set up and ready for use with EV charging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.